What is the one piece of advice that you would give business owners who are considering utilizing paid ads to grow their business? I know this is something that you've came across a lot, perhaps brands that are just starting, but you guys probably come across brands that are already well established. But for those brands that are thinking about, getting into paid ads or email marketing, what is like that one piece of advice to get them over that hump to actually invest into their business?
Yeah, so I would think, one thing comes to mind, and I've had this conversation with a million brand owners, especially smaller ones, like you said, that are, thinking about taking that leap, and, maybe they have a, decently established brand, maybe they're generating a couple $1,000s a month organically, which is, nothing to sneeze at. I mean, a couple $1,000s a month organically, you definitely have something that people enjoy. There's definitely something to build on from there. But the biggest thing to understand, especially before you think about, investing into your business via advertising and paid ads, etc., is really understanding your numbers and working your way backwards. I mean, I can't tell you how many times we've spoken to brand owners that have truly no idea what their bottom line is, what their actual profit margins are, and they're sort of, hey, here's our cost of goods, and it's like, okay, well, there's 15 other expenses that we have to take into account to actually determine what the break-even cost per acquisition is going to be. So I think that is one of the most important things, and I think that's probably where I would start, and that's what I would recommend, is really understand the financials of your business before you even start to think about running ads, because at the end of the day, this is a very easy way to accelerate your business and a very easy way to take it to the next level, but it's a very easy way to burn and destroy your business as well. Countless times, and whoever's listening to this may have experienced it, and obviously we've seen it 100 times before as well. But it's very easy for a brand owner to hire maybe an agency that doesn't know what they're doing, or they don't know what they're doing, etc., and burn $10,000 just like that. And then not only have you wasted 3 months of someone's time, but you've wasted $10,000, which that could be the entire amount of money that these business owners have in their bank account. And at the end of the day, you're shutting down a business. So it's something where, on the agency's behalf, you need to take this very seriously. But as a brand owner, you need to take it even more seriously in terms of understanding your financials and being ready to take this commitment. Because as much as it is our job to understand this, at the end of the day, this is your business, right? And you need to have that ideology, as well as that just understanding as to what it's going to take to actually do this properly and profitably.